What's up, strangers? In this video, I'll just show you how to create your website using Hostinger Website Builder. So the first thing you need to do, you need to locate this place. It's called website. So you're just going to click it. And once you click it, it will give you the list of the website that you've already built in case you have built already. But if you're new here, then you will have two buttons, migrate website or add website. You're going to need to press add website. Once you click it, you'll get this Hostinger Horizon, WordPress, Hostinger Website Builder, Custom PHP, HTML website, and deploy web. So what we're going to select is Hostinger Website Builder. And once you've selected Hostinger Website Builder, it's going to load and we're going to wait for it. And voila, we have it. So it says, let AI create your online presence. So the first thing you need to do is describe your website or business. So here, let's say we are going to create a simple portfolio website. So I'm just going to say a portfolio website as a software developer. You could also use this AI to improve description. So if you click it, it's just going to use the same text and then it's going to create a wonderful description, create a portfolio website for a software developer that highlights various projects, showcases coding skills, and includes a blog section featuring thoughts on industry, AI stuff. So then once you've done that, you're going to click this one and you just have to wait for it. Nice. It says, I will have it ready in a minute. So if you have a cup of coffee, you can grab it while waiting for our website to build. All right, so yes, we have a ready-made website just like that. We've got our website, and this is our website preview. You can try to preview it here. You have where you can actually change the language. We have home. This is built for scale, design, high throughput distributed systems and cloud infrastructure, view projects, and it takes you to another page. I don't think we're interested in this. Site not found because it's not there. So we have benchmarks. Yeah. This is it. It's like a very basic website, basically. We have project. Yeah. Another page. Yep. You can review code. This is a pure project page. And we also have resume page. You can download PDF resume, but we don't want it that. This is our resume page. And we do also have postmortems, and it shows you here list of stuff. So if you want to edit, because as you can see, some words are not really well arranged, but if you want, you can actually edit it. So we're just going to click this one, continue. And now, for instance, this place, you can actually put your logo here. You can replace it with your logo. So I'm just going to add my logo. I'm going to create upload files, and then I will just go here and search for any logo I have. Let's say I'm going to put, I'm going to search for logo. Okay, unfortunately, I don't think I have logo here. So yeah, you can select any logo you want. Maybe I'll just put this one as a logo. I don't know. Yep, and that's it. You can decrease the width. As you can see here, it's either increases or decreases. So we can decrease it like that. And then if you go to style, you can actually make it transparent header, or you can play around with all of this. But for now, I'll just keep it at the very basic stuff. And then you can go ahead and click this one if you want to edit anything, delete or edit whatever you want. You can go ahead and click the picture if you want to remove it, delete it, or if you don't want, you can always come back. You can also edit the words here if you want. You can edit any word. For instance, this one, okay, let's say, you know what, I need to edit architectures. So yeah, you can do that. You can edit anything you want. You can go to another page, for instance, resume. You can also play around with it. You can click this download PDF resume. And then you can actually go ahead and you can hide it if you want. Maybe I don't want it to be seen in any place, but we actually want it to be seen. So I'm just going to select it so that it's shown. And again, you can edit anything. I don't know, but you can edit anything you want, and then you can save your changes, or you can preview it. You can preview it before you actually publish it to the world to see. Yep. Yeah, as it says here, or you can go live. And once you click go live, then it's publishing your website, and voila, you will have your website ready. This is one of the fastest way to create a website, to make a website, honestly. Thank you very much for watching. Let's just wait for it to publish, and then I'll see you guys on the next video. Yep. And the funny thing is, it even gives you a temporary domain. You can change the domain if you want, but for now I'm just going to show you with the temporary domain. I'll teach you how to change the domain in another video. So this is your website. It looks cool, honestly, for a website that's created by an AI. This one looks amazing. It's a simple website where you can show, and yeah.